What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Well, during the filming of that little segment, something happened. I snapped a wheel stud. So when it comes to replacing your damaged wheel stud, it all depends on whatever vehicle it is you're working on. You might be able to do it on the car. In my case, I had to remove the front rotor. The wheel studs on the D100 are part of the rotor. Like I said, some cars you can just pull the rotor off and the wheel studs will still be on like the hub, and you can do it there. But in my case, I gotta do it on the workbench. So when it comes to actually removing your wheel studs, you have several different options. First, a good hammer. Make sure you clean off your bench first. But you can bang out your wheel studs. Since you're going to be replacing them, I wouldn't worry too much about damaging them. You could also do it if you have a press. You can just press them out. You can also use air hammers. So I have a couple different ones here. I have a small Cobalt, and I also have a larger Ingersoll Rand. This little Cobalt isn't bad. I'm going to give this one a try and see how well it works. Well, obviously that little Cobalt wasn't up to the task. Let's try a little more robust Ingersoll Rand. With all the old wheel studs out, I can start installing the new ones. But as you can see, I had to change work surfaces. That one's a little busy. So just like removing the wheel studs, to install the new ones, it doesn't take any special tools. I mean, yeah, I could use my press, and that would probably be the best way to do it, but I'm going to use an impact gun. This could also be done probably with a good breaker bar. All you have to do is secure your rotor in a vise, or if it's still in the car, just secure it so it doesn't turn, and a breaker bar would probably work. But that would just take a while, but it can be done. I'm going to use the impact. So to do this with the impact, I'm just going to take the wheel stud, slide it up, and then I'm going to put a washer on it just to add a little extra protection for the face of the rotor. Add a nut on there. You could do this with your lug nut also, but my lug nuts are capped like that. So just to make sure that I have plenty of reach, I want to make sure that I get good seating. Slide that down. And as you can see, that is fully, well, not quite. That one needs to go in some more. The one that I did earlier, even that one needs to go. All right, so we'll have to flip it back over and hit it a little bit more with the impact. I honestly thought they were seated all the way. Good thing I looked. And there you can see just a little bit of time spent with the impact gun, and all the wheel studs are back in place. So there you have it, guys. A little bit of time with a good hammer, maybe an impact hammer, and a good wrench, or a good impact wrench. Those definitely make this a lot easier, and you can easily swap out a busted or stripped wheel stud. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'm gonna get this wheel back on. I'll catch you on the next one.